Just filming. I'm just here to film, sir, that's all. I said I'm just here to film. Well, the light's obstructing my view. The light is obstructing my view. Thank you. The victim's upset here. There's a... They're probably just trying to take her money.
I have to stop the phone. I said, call Hilton and get it going right now, please. Please let them come get my car. Please let them come get my car, please. I don't have that money, please. It's already gonna be so much money to take me to jail. Please let them come get my car. Hey, will you drive my car to my house?
Sure.
Yeah, I do.
Is it legal?
Yeah.
If your car's legal,
Yeah.
I'll drive it.
No, it is. He knows me.
I don't care. I'm an emergency. I'm not going over my policy.
I need somebody to know. Why are you doing this to me? You can take my car to my house.
Really have no ill will or intent. I'm just trying to document what's going on here. If you wouldn't mind the light.
That's that much more money. Please, I never had this kind of money. I'm a single mom. My husband just died. Like, please don't. Oh my God, let him drive my car. I'm trying to tell you something. That back door doesn't lock. Please lock it. Please let him drive my car. I don't have the money.
Another case of keeping people in debt. I have no ill will and no ill intent. I'm just trying to document the scene, sir.
Who are you to her?
I'm sorry.
Who are you to her?
I'm an independent journalist. That's all I'm doing.
So you don't know who she is?
No, I don't. But I have moved vehicles before in the past for people in trouble like this.
Okay. And
You know.
your purpose for filming today is?
News purposes.
News purposes.
Yes.
And who do you work for?
I run an independent news.
Independent news.
Yeah, independent news.
Okay.
Yeah, like I said, I have no ill will intent. No, you know, I'm not trying to harm anybody. Just trying to capture what's going on.
Okay.
Maybe the next time when we have an encounter, you can keep the light down a little bit so it doesn't obstruct
No,
my view.
for my safety, just so I can make sure that you're
All right, well,
anything odd. So.
no, I understand that totally. You know,
You're also
you guys.
standing on a dark highway
Yep.
behind two officers that are trying to do their job.
Yeah, yep. I understand that.
All right.
But maybe, like I said, maybe the next time, just maybe keep the light down a little bit. Like I said, I'm out here for news purposes, and when you obstruct my camera like that, it's yeah, everything's news, sir.
It's a traffic stop.
Listen, everything is news, and like I said, when you obstruct my camera with the flashlight light like that, that's not good.
We can shine lights on people to identify who.
Well, no, that's totally fine. Like I said, I have no ill will, no ill intent. You know, you saw who I was. Maybe if you just keep the light down a little lower, so I can film what I need to film. All right, because when you block my camera like that, you're violating my First Amendment right to record. Yes, there's case law against that. I'll talk to your chief next week. Yeah, I'll let him know. Can I have your name and badge number, sir, with the light?
We have no purpose here. Free to go.
Name and badge number, please. Are you going to identify yourself? Corporal Fight. Yep. And you, sir?
Sir, move along. You're on the shoulder of the highway.
I'm in public. Leave me alone. $10, and I need the plate number.
No, you're not going to walk up on the
I need the plate number. We're in public, sir. Calm down. I'll go where I want to go. Looks like we got another one up here. Down the road a ways. I don't know if you can see the cherries and berries. But be a little too close to home for me. We'll see what happens.